Today's video I'm going to show you how to do the towel wrap pattern for Made for Mermaids. It's a free pattern. So for this you're going to assemble your pattern pieces together, and on the top here it has a button marking. So I put mine on the wrong side of the fabric just because I was afraid I wouldn't be able to see it. Here is my elastic and button I will be using. And the fabric that I got is French Terry. It is from Walmart. Where I have clipped, you are going to sew right along and leaving that bottom part straight. And this part I'm doing on my serger, but you could use your regular sewing machine. I will do that with the next steps. And this part I did fast forward a little bit because it's just me sewing around the curved part and then down. And that's me showing what it would look like with the hood, just in case if you got confused somewhere. And this part, we're gonna hem. So I just rolled it up, ironed it, and then down there at the bottom by my seam, I put my elastic, attached it to my clip so it's like a loop. And then I'm gonna use my sewing machine here and attach it with a zigzag straight stitch. And this is my sewing machine. It's an older model, but it does the trick. I don't have a cover stitch right now. It's on my sewing Christmas wish list. I did go ahead and fast forward this part as well. That part it got a little stuck. I think my French Terry got caught underneath the needle, or the feed dog, I'm not sure. Sometimes my machine doesn't like me and doesn't want to work all the time. And right there, I'm just going back over my elastic to make sure it's in place. And since I put the marking on the wrong side, I flipped it so I could see the right side of the fabric, and I'm placing my button right where I put the marking on the other side. And I'm hand cranking the needle and thread through my button here. And there it is, all attached. And this is me showing you that the elastic is on and you can roll the bottom of the part to fit over the button. Hope you enjoy.